Fikable. Okay, guys, super excited. How are you doing today? My name is Mayowa. You're welcome to another live trading session today. How are you doing? If you can hear me, make sure you drop some message right now. Let me be sure you guys can hear me. Tell me where you're joining from. Where are you guys joining from today? Okay, no matter where you're joining from, you want to make sure you click on the share button. Let's get the numbers. Let's get people to see this once and for all. Super excited. Good afternoon, good morning. Where are you joining from? Once and for all. Super excited. Good afternoon, good morning. Where are you joining? Okay. I am Faith from Belgium. Hey, Mr. Faith, good to have you. Fantastic. Good afternoon, Mr. Wisdom. Share the link right now. I need you guys to share, and let people know that we are live. Share. Good afternoon, good morning. Share minimum 10 times. Let's help other people see this. Make sure you also click on the like button. We're going to be having a great time together today. Last week was amazing. And when I spoke to my team, they said we can have it again this week. So I'm sharing on Facebook right now. Share also to Twitter. Sharing to Twitter right now. Fantastic. Come on, guys, tell me where you're joining from. Let me be sure. How's your trading going? Tell me, what trade have you taken this week? What trade have you lost this week? What trade have you won this week? Chukuyem is joining from Lagos. Fantastic. Good to have you on the call. Okay, good. So let's get to work. How are you doing, guys? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Wow, we have Timimi from Kenya, Mombasa. I can't wait to come to Mombasa again. I was in Mombasa in 2019. I was in Mombasa in 2019. Went to about 4 cities in 20 in 4 states, or you guys call it region. How is Kenya? Good. So let's check. How did your CHF JPY? How did it go? CFJPY, did you make some profit? Did you make any profit on that trade? My trade is going well. I'm on short on CHF. Fantastic. I haven't taken any trade this week. Yeah, I've not taken either. I've not taken either. We're waiting for the. I just entered. I just entered the trade. Okay. I just entered the trade, but I made profit on GCHF. Okay. It depends on your strategy. It depends on your strategy. Okay, guys, super excited. Let's get to work. My name is Owolabi. Welcome to this channel. And today we're in our live trading session. This week, we're just going to be rubbing minds together. And I'll be sharing my view for the market this week, and we're going to be good to go. Okay. I really want to help you guys with your psychology of trading because it's not just about your strategy. You also want to understand the market behavior to be able to know how to position yourself. Okay, so the GM just said that is on CHF I strongly feel CHF is already for a buy and for a sell. I strongly feel that it's going to find its way to the top. Why did I say so? Because you can see that the market had an impulse move. This impulsive move, took off this zone. Okay, this impulsive move took off this zone. This impulsive move took off this zone and gave us a retracement back into this um, supply level. And from there, the market dropped and gave over 700 pips. Okay, over 700 pips. That's about 750 pips. So right now is on a reversal back to the top. Okay, if you're a Fibonacci trader, if you drop your Fibonacci from here to the bottom, you will see that it's still very early to sell. Okay, so you still have to come to maybe 61.8 or 78.6. Personally, I don't trade anything if it doesn't come to my own order block, my supply zone, which is around 134.45 or 134 500. Okay, so the best discounted level you want to begin to deal with is anything above this zone. Okay, So this zone will be your potential sell zone. Okay, so taking any sell from here, it means that probably you are scalping. So if you're a scalper, fantastic. Just take your profit and you are out of it, because this is yet to give us that complete impulsive move. You can see that we had this impulsive move one, we have this second one. So we're going to be waiting for the third one. And a lot of time, the third one is always the longest when you understand wave count. So the third one is always the longest. That could take us to the monthly demand. So right now, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay. So if you take any buy here right now, it will be counter trend, because the market is currently on a reversal zone, and it broke out. It broke out already. If you go to weekly, let's go back to daily. Okay, if you go to daily, you can see that it broke out of trend line. Okay, if you don't know this, you want to go and watch my training. I have a free training under my Forex playlist. Okay, I did a breakdown training on how to use trend line. So because the market had broken out, so all this place is a sell zone. Okay, but you also want to get the best discount, the best discounted offer. So right now, if you're selling right here, it's not a bad idea depending on your approach. If you're a scalper, you can get go in and come out of it. But you can see that we have this buy to sell candle. This buy to sell candle is actually the move that created this impulse, this second wave. Okay, this first impulsive move created this sell move. This second impulsive move was created by this other this buy to sell candle. Okay, so this will be your this zone. So if you really want to catch that wave, you want to catch it anything from the 50% of this guy, that will be your discounted zone. So you have to wait for the market to come into it. I've been waiting for this trade for a while. I think it was posted. I'm not sure if it was posted on the Telegram group, but we have like two trades or four trades that is on the Telegram group that we are waiting for. So if you take a sell right now, let's go to 15 minutes and see for any reason why you were taking sell. Okay, so if you're an intraday trader, when the market opened and broke this Asia session. So probably would have entered on this level. Okay, but it didn't even get there. So I still feel that it's going to go up. That's my take. I I can be wrong. Okay, I'm not here to prove to you that I'm right. I'm only here to encourage you that there's money in trading forex. Okay, so because a lot of people that follow me have different strategy, so we need to also consider that. So that's my take for AJ, Chef JPY. Sorry, I strongly feel that Chef JPY will still come up. Should come up to about 133,500 around that other institutional level. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so somebody say, Mr. Maiwa, what? But since I know it's coming up here, why can't I take buy here? Okay, so what you also want to do is that you don't want to trade against impulsive moves. Okay, you don't want to trade against impulsive move, and if you have to trade against impulsive move, then you can also pick your entries on your order block. Okay, but I don't. Okay, so if you, I don't. This is a order block here. So for me to buy, if it is a must I buy, which I don't and I won't, okay, this is where I'm going to buy from. So in this zone now, I'll go to 30 minutes and I'll narrow down and I will narrow down my buy into this zone. So this is where I'm going to buy. So the market need to come into this place for me to buy. Okay. So if I'm buying here, my stop loss will be 16 pips, 21 pips, which is too much. So what I need to now do is go to 15 minutes, or on that same level, you do your 50% candle. Okay, you do your 50%. The last bearish candle. This is the last bearish candle. Okay, so this will be it. So let's see if that reduces the stop loss. Fantastic. So it has reduced it from 22 to about 14, 13 pips to 14 pips. So with this now, 14 pips, you can now ride this guy to the top. You can now ride this guy to the top. This is about 1 to 17, which is not bad. Which is not bad. It's not a bad transaction at all. Okay? But for me, I would rather wait for the market to come here, then I can take the trade and hold it for the next 2 months or 3 months. Okay, I'm still holding NZD in the community. We're still holding AUD and we've taken that trade since last month. Okay, we're still holding it. So that's my take for you on. Okay, let me see what others are saying. Wisdom. I haven't taken any days. Okay, thanks for joining. Okay, Samuel say thanks for your good work. Fantastic. Okay, guys. So tell me, how is your trade going this week? Make sure you share. Click on the share button. Let's increase the. Let's increase. Oh, Matthew, thank you so much for sharing. Let's increase it. Increase it. What trade have you lost this week? What trade have you won this week? What trade have you lost? What trade have you won? Any question? What pair do you want us to go through? Any pair you guys want us to go through? Hey, Alfred Tavan, how are you doing? South Sudan, fantastic. I'm all right. How are you doing too? How are you doing too? And how is South Sudan? How is South Sudan? Wow, that's a lot. That's okay. I gave you guys a case study of NZD chef. That's the only trade I'm still that's the only trade I'm holding personally. And I've been holding it for a long time now. I've been holding it since last month. Over a month now, I've been selling. I have about 4 positions or 5 positions running. And I told you guys that we're going to be holding this trade till 59, 0.5900, okay? Around 59.25, okay? It's still going to drop more, okay? So that's the only trade I'm holding. And the other trade I'm expecting to sell is Euro Chef, Euro GBP. We're holding HF in the group. We're holding NHF in the group. We're holding um, yeah, we've exited GCAD. We want to join GU. My bias on GU is sell. Okay, my bias on GU is to sell. Excuse me. So my bias on GU is to sell. Okay, and one of the reasons why I'm still holding on positively to sell GU is because USD still has a lot of room to go up. US Index. Let's check that together. DXY. So I strongly feel that DXY still has a lot of room to go up. Mm. So if you're expecting a retracement, this is where we're expecting the retracement to. And this is where we are still expecting it to come up to. So two things could happen. So expect the market to retrace back here, we'll buy, okay? Or the market keeps going up, then we'll sell from 160, 100, okay? If we don't see anything around that zone, so having established that, we can now take that to monthly. So if DXY will continue this sell, then GU will buy, will go on this buy share, okay? So G will buy to this zone, then we buy to this zone, we buy to this zone, we sell to this zone. You can see the correlation. Then we buy here. So this guy comes down. Okay. So right now, I'm still of the opinion that there's still room for one more impulsive move. And I think I shared this with you last week. And whenever you want to see an impulsive move, you want to make sure you see something like this. The market breaks it, then it goes up. So if the market hasn't broken this zone, which is the last swing, we can't take a buy. Okay? We can't take a buy. So that is why in our community we are waiting for a sell. We're expecting a pull-up back. Wow. Let's see if we can get a 5-minute bar here. As much I don't like intraday, I don't like scalping the market. So we have this move. This is a clean 1 to 12, but it's not my typical type of trade. It's not a bad trade at all. That's giving all the engagement rule. Okay. I'll prefer the sell. This is my sell. This is my sell zone. I'll prefer the sell. So instead of instead of buying from here to go to the top, why not wait for it to come here? Then you trade the main sell. So I prefer the main move, which is why trading is always boring for swing traders or position traders because you have to wait right now. So my engagement rule, the trader has met my engagement rule for a buy at that zone. You can see for a buy at this buy to sell trade. But I don't like babysitting trade. Okay, so I'll rather wait for my swing trade. And my swing trade has a potential. My swing trade has a potential 400 pips. That's about 1 to 30. If I can use 5-minute entry, that should be about 1 to 30, 1 to 45, which is more profitable as a businessman. It's more profitable as a businessman. It's more profitable as a businessman. But if you're an intraday person, okay, you can now say, oh, this is the this is it. If you're an intraday person, this is a good trade for you. Okay, bring in the session. We're already in London, in New York section. So you buy from here, you risk 10 pips. Use your calculator, guys. You risk 10 pips. Then you hold the trade to this place, which is 1 to 9. Not a bad transaction. For my own goal, my type of trade is swing. So I prefer I trade higher time frame in alignment with lower time frame. So GBP USD will be waiting for a sell. So allow the market to come up to you here around 128, 125, 800. Then we would look for lower time frame entry. Then we'll catch this one. Okay. NCHF is still dropping massively. It's still dropping massively. So if you want to be able to catch all these kind of sniper entries, you have to wait. Wait and trade the rules of engagement. You have to wait. You know, look at where we are still holding. What's it called? HF. We're still holding HF. And like I said in the last broadcast, that HF has over 1,000 pips to go. So that's a long journey. That's a long journey. Tell me, what pair do you want us to go through? What pair do you want us to go through? What pair do you want us to go through? Let's go to GBP JPY. GBP JPY, we're still expecting it to come to 162.60. So it's been ranging. It's been ranging. Okay, you can see the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we're expecting it to come up here. We expect the discount, more discount. Okay, so you can see it's been ranging up, down here. So you want to see it has created enough liquidity, liquidity. So this guy should come up back into this 162,500. So around 162,500, we're going to kill it there. Wait for our 15-minute entry or 5-minute entry. Then we'll kill it from there. So this guy needs to come up. So that's where we're going to be entering the major sell from. Okay, that's where I will be entering the major sell from. And if I take that sell from there, that would be about 800 pips that I'm after, potential 800 pips. So this is how to catch this amazing sweet, and that's what's happening to all the JPYs. Okay, I feel that they will come up because euro um, euro JPY also has close to over 900 pips too. So this is how we wait, and you can see that it has created the liquidity. For some of us that don't know liquidity is the usual double top. Okay, that's liquidity. That's the usual double top. So the market, this guy needs to come up further. Then we'll check out our confirmation in this zone. Then we'll nail it for a 900 pips potential. So this is how I set my trap. So I've spoken on Chef JPY. There's really nothing to do on Chef JPY. Wait for it so that you can enjoy. Okay. This was where I told you guys to enter to take this trade the last time, and it gave us 700 pips, over 700 pips. Some of you said thank you. Some people send me a private message, which makes me really like I can do more to help you. Okay, help you guys. But right now, you have to wait for the reversal to complete. And once the reversal complete, we can have the continuation, which is close to about another 900 pips too. 900 pips too. So this is how we kill the market. Okay, one of the LinkedIn guys says we should check Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. We'll check Euro USD. Thomas Eber, USD Chef GBPCAD. So let's do, okay, let's do Euro USD. Euro USD is still, my bias is still selling. My bias for Euro USD is still selling. A lot of institutional traders are already buying, but I need to see clarity. Okay, clarity. We are currently on a demand that has an approval, and if you go to daily time frame, it has broken. Let's go to 8 hours. Okay, so it has broken a high. It has broken this high. So we can look for a potential sell, a potential buy, sorry. A potential buy around this place. Around this place. Okay. But I strongly feel that there's more room down. Okay, so if you go to the monthly chart, this is where my main buy is. So I want to find a way to add up more sell, to join the sell, sorry, I'm not in it. I want to look at a way to join the sell down to this place. Okay. So any buy right now is a short-term buy. So if you go with that, then we'll wait for this pullback into this zone. So if you can get anything into this zone, because it's a counter trend, I will still wait again for confirmation here. I'll still wait for confirmation here. So those are the things you need to consider. But if you're an intraday trader, like some people are, let's go to 8 hours. So there's really no institutional level to trade here. So you have to wait for this to reverse back. Okay, so you have to wait for this to drop. So there's no institutional zone there. GBPCAD, I love that trade. That trade paid us well. We did over 1,200 pips on that trade. GBPCAD makes a lot of sense. No confirmation to buy yet. Okay, so it's going to play with our emotions. But I strongly feel that it should come up into this order block, this buy to sell, and we can catch the rest sell. But since we know it's going up, can we buy? I can't buy. I don't trade against the trend. I trade what I see, not what I want. What I want is money. What I see, what I see is that it's not ready. Okay? And whenever it's not ready, when you trade against the trend, I told you over and over again, it's going to be a struggling time. But if you want to really pick moves that will drop big time, you want to pick moves that are in the direction of the trend. So a very good instance is when you look at this chart now, it's been creating lower lows. Okay, and it's yet to get to the extreme low of the market. So wait for it. That's my bias. I feel it's going to come up here. Then we'll buy. And we sell, sorry. Which is the same thing is happening on all the other cards. All the other cards. Make sense? If you're gaining some value, make sure you click on the like button and share the video. Share the video. Okay, so the LinkedIn user says we should check EU. So my bias on EU is to apparently wait for a full reversal. Okay, so that we can sell at the top because it's not ready for a buy. It's not ready. So right now, the pairs I'm looking at are JPY pairs. I'm waiting for JPY pairs. That's where I'm going to be killing it. I'm waiting for JPY pairs. I've dropped the JPY analysis of the group. So you can see CAD JPY, AUD JPY, GBP JPY, LZD JPY, all the JPY pairs, they are in soup. They are preparing. And I feel that they are all going to, if they don't give the confirmation this week, they'll give the confirmation next week. Okay? You only need 2 trades a week, basically. 2 trades a week. Okay? So let me explain how I trade it. Look at. October, November, April 30, April 22, April 6, sorry, sell. 20th of April, sell. 5th of May, sell. Yeah, last week, sell. So that's it. So if you trade every day, you will be taking the reversals, okay, which is not bad. That means you're an active trader. You'll be trading the reversals, okay. So we went in April 6th, it dropped, came back up. April 20th, that's like 2 weeks after. 2 weeks after, another sell. It dropped again from 20th. It dropped. We added to it. 2 weeks after, it dropped again. It went up again 2 weeks after. Then this morning, I added another position to NCHEF. So imagine this journey. So if you are not a swing trader, then you would be taking sell here, buy here. Then you have to be coming out early. Okay. You have to be coming out early. But if you really want to enjoy trading so that you can do other things that you want to achieve, okay, you want to give yourself some amazing um, time so that you can enjoy other things. Okay. So AUD USD is already in the zone. So I'm sure you guys got that analysis I just said now. Good. So it's always a battle between the quantity and the quality. It's always a battle. So you realize that you take 4 trades, you win 2, you lose 2. Okay, can you find a way to can you find a way to filter that 2 so that you can only pick 2? Oh, I have one of the guys that joined that works for us in the office. You know, it does about 10 trades, 12 trades in a week. But right now, it's 2 trades to 4 trades a week. Why? You have to put in that filter. You put in that filter so that you can reduce the number of trades you pick, and you can enjoy it. Sir, AUD card, I'm on buy already. What's your take? No, my take does not mean you are wrong. Don't forget, the market is full of sellers and buyers. Okay, so please, that does not mean you are wrong. But let me check. Let me share my view. Okay. Okay. The only place I'm going to buy from is here. Anything below 8,700, I can't buy anywhere else. Okay. I can't buy anywhere else. So the only place I can start buying from is anything above below 87 0.8700. I will buy from there. So what it means is that if I buy now, I'm trading against the trend. I can't buy now. Do you understand the concept? But can you take buy? Yes, you can. So see let's see the buys now. If you have taken this buy, you would have made good profit. If you have taken this buy, you would have made good profit. But the question is, how long does those buy last? This guy gave 200 pips, which is very good as an intraday. This guy gave an average of 170 pips. Very good as an intraday. But guess what? Look at the behavior. It went up, it came down, it went up, it came down, it went up, it came down, it went up. Why is it doing that? It's because is in a counter is a counter move. Okay, counter move will always struggle, but main moves don't struggle. So look at this um, institutional level that dropped the market. Look at it dropped it. This particular sell now, this is the sell. This is the rally based drop that is in control. There's an imbalance there. Okay, that's it. That's the level in control, right? So I can't buy. Okay, so if I want to sell, I would wait for the market to pull up back into this zone, then I sell from here. So my stop loss, if I want to sell this trade, will be about 6 pips, 6 pips to 7 pips. That will be my entry. But I can't buy right now, not because there is no buy opportunity. It's because my way of trading is that I don't like to do anything against the market. That's my take. Thomas said made 140 pips. Fantastic. 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 So Charles says 140 pips is a lot, bro. Congratulations. Charles says, good day, sir. Is this live trading session a regular event? And what is the time? I just stumbled on the program, right? Okay, so we're trying to see if this can be consistent every Wednesday, 1:30 p.m. Okay. So last week it was also Wednesday, 2 p.m. We're trying to see if we can make this consistent. If this is consistent, I'm sure it will help some people. Okay. Fantastic. Any other question? You guys got a question? Oh, also, it's not, it's Adejobi Shola says, big boss, I love your consistency, sir. Thank you so much. I'm just trying my best. I'm just trying my best. Okay. So Alfred said, are your mentorship lifetime? No, we don't have lifetime mentorship. I strongly feel that if you know it, you don't need mentorship. Okay, but we have a community. We have a free community, the Discord group, Facebook group, and Telegram group channel. Sorry. Okay, so I mentor you for 3 months, 6 months. You're good. Then you start manifesting. Make money for yourself. Okay. So if you're interested in the mentorship, we have 3 month mentorship. Okay, 3 month mentorship. Okay, which is our coaching program. We have the institutional trading community. You just want to be in our community, pick our trades. That's $100 per month. Okay. But if you want coaching, mentorship is 3 months. Okay, that's $1,000. Okay. Then we have a premium offer. Okay, for those that want, you have a minimum 5,000 US dollars. You want to multiply it, like trade my trades. It's a 6 month program. I also going to mentor you the way I trade. Okay, I makes hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I'll do that It's a $5,000 package on your good. And I think we have a promo that is running that will end tomorrow. So if you want that, you can get, I think, 20% discount. That's what is running currently. You can chat up with the admin, which is not bad for you guys. So if you want to be in the community, you just pay $100 monthly. Okay. So you have access to our recordings, training recordings, weekly review. We have 2 sessions every week. You have our trade ideas every week. We have four trades we are waiting for this week now. So you have access to it. It's $100. Our goal is 2 trades, one to 4 trades per week. That's what we do. And our goal is 500 to minimum a lot of pips every month. That's what we do. Okay, but if you really want to learn it, I recommend the 3 month package for you, which is $1,000 for 3 months. Then, if you want to remain in the community, you pay $100. So that's what we have for mentorship. You're welcome, my brother. So somebody is saying GBUSD sell. Yeah, we're waiting for sell. I've analyzed GBUSD. You guys need to also come early. Once click on the notification bell, so when I go live, you'll get a mail. Okay, if you make sure you are on our YouTube channel, Owolabi TV. So you subscribe and click on the notification bell so that whenever I come on live, you will have access to it. Okay, I strongly feel that GBUSD is more of sell. Okay, is yet to break the previous high. Okay, so we look for sell. Okay, on the 3 minute charts, I told you guys that is a good sell, a good buy. Okay, it's a good buy, but it's not my type of trade. Okay, you can see that if you have entered this trade, if you have risked like 8 pips, you already made some. You should be in good profit, right? In some manageable profit right now. Okay, so this will take it to the top, but don't jump in. Don't jump in, because that is one of the challenges of traders. You want to jump in. I don't do 90% of my trades are pending order, or 95% of my trades are pending order. 95% of my trades are pending orders. So if you come here, and I can see pending, 95 of my trades are pending orders. You can see pending, extreme pending. Okay, so that's how to maximize trading. And it's also practice. You also need to practice it together. Okay, so if you this will buy, GBUSD will buy to the top, and that's what I'll be looking for. I'll be looking for a sell around 26, 25.50, 26, 25.50, 25.90. That's what I'll be looking for, a sell. So when this happens, you want to wait for a confirmation on lower time on 5 minutes or 15 minutes. That's how we trade. Then it has a potential 900 pips, which is good. So, but you see, this pips is not enough. That's why I didn't trade it. This is a 96 pips offer. It's not my type of trade. Okay, so this will buy. I've analyzed this earlier. Okay, but wait for the sell. I'm looking for sell. That's for GBP. So somebody on Facebook is saying that we should check USD JPY. What's happening? Okay. Okay, thanks. I was about quitting John Otuyinka. I was about quitting, but you have given me hope. Hey, thank you. Thank you. This is what I want to hear. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I strongly believe everybody should identify what suits them and use risk management. Please. Thank you so much for the feedback, Mr. John. Mr. John. I will be in that community next month and prepare for the 1,000 party. Hey, we can't wait to have you around, my brother. Let's kill this market together. So let's answer the guy on Facebook. He said we should check USD JPY. USD JPY. That's Benjamin. Benjamin, USD JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY. This trade, we're in this trade since we took this trade in the community in December 2021, and it gave us amazing return over 1,600 pips. It's not bad. So right now, I strongly feel that GBP USD JPY, sorry, is still going to go up. Okay. So if you come to daily time frame, we'll wait for entry around 121,800 or 114. So what we want to look for now is a sell opportunity. So why are we looking for sell opportunity? Is because it has broken the buy trend line. Okay, it has broken the buy trend line. It has broken the buy trend line. It has confirmed broken several lows. Okay, so right now I will wait for a reversal to the top, then I sell from there. So I'll rather look for a sell right now than a buy. Let's see what 8 hours is printing. Okay, the best place to look for a sell is here, 130,500. That's the best discounted zone. Okay, so Mr. Maya, but this is far. Well, 300 pips is far. That's a lot of money. Uh, let's see daily if you can squeeze something out. I really don't see anything happening here. Okay. So this will be my two sell zones, okay? This will be my two sell zones. Sell here, down, or sell from the top, down. Okay? So here, if I can risk 5 pips or 10 pips to catch 700, and at the top, if I can risk to catch so this is how I basically trade. Okay, I'm willing to risk 5% here or 3% here. Okay, with my 5 pips or 5 between 5 and 15 pips stop loss. Okay, so 1 or 2 trades is enough for me in a month to multiply my account, like multiply. Okay, so apparently that's how I trade. So I'm willing to risk a good 5 pips here with a good percentage, good 5 pips here or 10 pips, good percentage. So if this can give me 1 to 28, this guy can give me 1 to over 1 to 100, which is good. And if it uses the monthly, woo, so just stay tuned on my YouTube channel. I always do trades before they happen. Okay, make sure you also join the Telegram group or Facebook group. I don't put a lot of analysis on Facebook group, so join Telegram group. Okay. So I feel it's going to come up here. See, when it comes to trading, you don't sell or buy on the impulse. You don't. When a big move happen, forget it. Just wait for a retracement. That will save you a lot. That's all I do. Hope I've been able to help Ariel. That's the guy on Facebook. Benjamin. Hope I've been able to help. Okay, so I'm going to be waiting. So somebody is asking, I've always think ITC is a very hard concept to understand until today. Godwin, ITC is not hard, it's very simple. If I said this is my first time joining you, hey, I really like your analysis. You're welcome, Ifeanyi. Good to have you. Sir, is it safe to enter by GU? No, you don't enter by G, it's gone. Samuel said 5,000. Sir, on the 5,000 package for the monthly, for the 6 month, can someone use a prop firm account instead of 5,000 accounts? Yes, you can. You can use a prop firm account. But I have my recommendation. I'll give you my recommendation. If you are using prop firm, we'll do prop firm. We'll do prop firm. You chef. I thought we've worked on you chef. ITC is very simple. Institutional trading concepts. I downloaded it and it's been amazing. Let's check UChef. Okay, I think somebody is really after that UChef. Ooh. There's nothing on UChef, guys. Nothing. It's far to the demand, it's far from the supply. So you are in the ocean. This is an ocean right now. This is an ocean right now. I don't have business. For me to put my money, it will either come to this place or come to the top. Don't put your money in an ocean. The reason why you blow account is because you put your money in an ocean. Oceans. For you to win, putting your money in an ocean means that you need a lot of capital. A lot of capital. So don't put your money. There's nothing on chef. Don't force it. This is an impulse leg. You need to retrace. And if it's not retracing, let it come back to meet this impulse leg. Okay? Impulsive move. Impulsive move. So no rush it. I hope that helps. Okay? So can we have one trade for intraday? No one, except the GU which I intentionally didn't give you, because for me, This is the entry. Okay, so it's not worth it. So wait for the sell. Okay, wait for the sell. Let the market come to the top. Wait for the sell. It's better. Please, I want the handle on Telegram to join the community. Check the video, check the Facebook description. Ifeanyi Emoka. Check the Facebook description. Check the video description. Check the video description. In the video description, you will have the link. Okay. Thank you, sir. It's really played with me. It played me it out so many times, and finally it's dropping. Yeah. Which pair is that, Thomas? Which pair? And this is actually the way you should. This is why even when we had the cryptocurrency session that I told you last, was it 2 months ago, that mana was coming to 1.22. It has to come low to about maybe 60 cents before I put my money. Somebody was saying, Mr. Mayowa, why? But it's all about being patient. If you go and check mana right now, mana has dropped to that zone. So if you really understand the market behavior, you'll be able to maximize trading. But if you don't, you'll be jumping in and out of trades. And the more you put in money, the brokers are taking commission. You know? Okay, I get it. Brokers are taking commission. And you don't want that. So wait for an amazing one, catch the move, and kill it. Let the brokers call you. Let the brokers call you and say, what kind of trading are you? What kind of trader are you? So that's trading, guys. Any question? We'll round up in 7 minutes. Any other question? Any trade you guys want me to go through? So just wait for the market to come into that zone, and you wait for your confirmation entry. Your confirmation could be engulfing. Your confirmation could be 5-minute entry. Your confirmation could be any one you want. That's it. Depending on the one you've learned and mastered. Okay? And for anybody that wants to join the community, just visit the website. You can make payments online, and there's a 20% discount. You want the discounts, chat up with the admin on this number. Chat up with the admin on this number. The admin will definitely give you 20% discount, which ends on the 28th of this month. Olusegun Ayobami is saying we should check AUD USD. I've said that already. It's currently in the sell zone, so that is why it's selling. Okay, we've analyzed that already. We are ending this session in 4 minutes, so you can watch the replay. Check my view on AUD USD. I strongly feel that AUD USD is still coming down. Okay. So don't fight it, wait for it. It's also yet to break the previous high, so the bias is still sell. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. Thank you for joining. I'm sure we've been able to do some justice to your analysis and establish my own view in the market. Yeah. So make sure you are intentional. Make sure you use your stop loss. Don't, I feel that you should also don't learn from your own experience. Learn from other people's experiences too. Because I know some people they still adjust their stop loss because they don't want to lose a trade. But guys, some of us we have learned so much, we've lost a lot of money that we don't want to lose again. And part of what will make you know you are not to lose again is being strict with your decision whenever you enter a trade. Don't touch your stop loss, don't adjust it, don't increase it, accept your loss, reduce your losses, and let your win trade, let it run. Very, very important. Discount on the $100 package too. No, we don't have discount on the $100 package. The discount is only on the mentorship package. The discount is only on the mentorship package. The discount is only on mentorship package, either the 3 months or the 6 months. Thank you very much, sir. You're welcome. You're welcome. Guys, thank you so much for staying tuned. What will you say to our team, Owolabi Consulting? What will you guys say? What will you guys say right now? Show some love. Click on the notification bell. Click on the share the video. Click on the notification. Like the video. Show some love. Type in thank you. If you guys are gaining some value, type in thank you. If you guys gain value, type in thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay? That's the best you can do for us to appreciate my team. Amazing guys. And we're good to go. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, guys, do have a pleasant evening. My name remains Owolabi. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 1:30 p.m. We are going to be going through cryptocurrency together. Okay, I'll confirm my itinerary, then we'll create a link on that. So make sure you are on the YouTube channel so that you can have and make sure you're subscribed to it so that you can get a notification once it is ready. I look forward to your success. My name remains Owolabi. Peace out, guys. Bye for now.